Day to everyone, and for today, I want to share a very personal journey with you, my exploration into personality development. I used to see my personality as something fixed, but I've learned it's a dynamic, evolving part of who I am, something I can consciously understand and shape for the better. My journey truly began with the concept of self awareness. This image for me represents the initial spark of understanding how my own mind works. It's about recognizing my thoughts, my feelings, and how they contribute to the unique person I am. A crucial part of my development has been improving my communication. I've discovered it's not just about speaking, but about truly listening and connecting. This image perfectly captures how I strive bridges and foster clear, empathetic exchanges with others. Self-reflection became my internal compass. I learned to intentionally look inward, to pause, and to process my experiences. This quiet introspection, symbolized by this peaceful reflection, has helped me understand my motives and identify areas where I want to grow. Then came the profound realization of emotional intelligence. For me, it's about balancing my logical thoughts with my feelings. This harmony between heart and brain has empowered me to manage my own emotions and better understand the feelings of those around me. Confidence building has been a significant climb for me. Much like reaching a mountain peak, it wasn't about being fearless, but about taking action despite my fears. Each small victory has strengthened my belief in my own abilities and resolve. I started to see my personality as a complex of interlocking gears. My values, beliefs, and habits all work together. My goal has been to align these components, ensuring my personality functions smoothly and effectively, bringing coherence to my actions. My personality, much like this blooming flower, has the capacity for continuous growth. It's not a static entity, but an ongoing process of learning, adapting, and expanding. I've realized I need to constantly nurture myself to truly flourish. Every day presents me with choices, and my personality is profoundly shaped by the paths I chose. This image reminds me that decision making involves weighing options, understanding consequences, and taking responsibility for the direction my life takes. Cultivating empathy has been transformative for me, and it's the ability to truly step into someone else's shoes. But reaching out and understanding others have I've not only built stronger relationships but also connected or enriched my own emotional landscape. Mindfulness and self-regulation has become cornerstones of my practice. This image of meditation represents my efforts to be fully present. Observing my thoughts without judgment, it allows me to respond thoughtfully rather than reacting impulsively. My personality truly thrives through teamwork and social skills. This image reflects my appreciation for collaboration. I've learned the value of listening, respecting diverse viewpoints, and contributing positively to collective goals in both personal and professional settings. A significant part of my journey has involved overcoming limitations. This powerful image resonates with me as I've worked to break free from old fears or self imposed beliefs that held me back. It's about bravely stepping into new possibilities. I've come to understand my emotional spectrum as a rich mosaic. Learning to acknowledge and process this full range of emotions, joy, sadness, anger, serenity, is vital for genuine self expression and deeper connection with my authentic self. Just I would care for a plant, I've learned the importance of nurturing myself. This means actively investing on my well being, continuously learning, challenging myself, and practicing self compassion to ensure my sustained growth. Through this development, I've gained a clear direction and purpose, knowing my values and setting meaningful goals like this compass pointing north provides a guiding star for my actions and help me stay true to my aspirations. This image perfectly illustrates my journey into deep Self-analysis. I have learned to examine the subtle nuisance of my character under a magnifying glass, identifying patterns and gaining profound insights into why I am the way I am. Embracing creativity and problem solving has become a vital part of my evolving personality. This image represents my efforts to think innovatively, adapt to challenges, and find novel solutions, empowering me to navigate life's complexities and ingenuity. I've come I've become actually acutely aware of the impact of my personality has on others, like the ripples in water. Every action, every word creates a subtle effect. Understanding this influence motivates me to cultivate a positive and constructive presence. My personal development is truly a staircase of progress. It's an ongoing ascent with each step upward signifying learning and growth and becoming a better version of myself. I embrace both challenges and the advancements along the way. Ultimately, this journey is about becoming an integrated personality within my community. This image represents my goal to be a well-rounded individual who contributes positively and thrives within a supportive environment, celebrating diversity. So this is my journey so far. Personality development isn't a destination, it's a continuous enriching process. I hope sharing my insights inspires you to embark on your own path of self-discovery and growth. Thank you for being here today.